is round. So
know,
yeah, that's
I
okay.
was trying to
Just you're finding it. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Now head position, yes. And then send the other leg back and curl those toes towards your shin. Yes. Draw your navel
and
in.
Is there tension in this leg?
Yes. Draw your navel in tight. Yeah. And now, head position. Yeah. Good. Better. Retract.
What am I doing?
Yeah, good. That's good. I like that you're thinking through that. Retract again. Yep. Yep. Right butt cheek. Squeeze it.
Yeah, it is very.
Yeah. You can feel it.
I can feel it.
Yeah.
Even though I don't have it.
That's okay. Yes.
My right one is tighter.
Yeah, I know. Yeah.
So I feel it more there than this.
There it is.
So
Good.
When I pull my belly button in, I feel like my shoulders.
They do. That's the tension we're trying to fix. You're absolutely right. One more.